Yeah.
Assets are
Okay.
assets are resources or properties of organization, okay, which are classified into current and non-current.
Hmm.
Under non-current, we are having one is investments, another one is fixed assets.
Hmm.
Investments are those where you are keeping your money, okay, monetary resources, funds in some other company or some bonds of the government or other places, or fixed
Yes, ma'am.
deposits in the bank.
Hmm.
Okay, so that whatever idle money is there with you,
Hmm.
you can invest somewhere and get some return.
Okay.
Okay, these are non-current investments which are useful for you in a longer period.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
and some other fixed assets will be there which you will use as a resource or properties which will be useful for you to smooth conduct of the business in administration and distribution. Suppose
Administration and distribution of what exactly?
that is what I'm telling. Like to administer the things, you require some fixed assets like what we call uh, computer to make the things properly, billing karna. So business nowadays is computerized everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
So to suppose yours is a small bakery business, though you are using online system also. Online में book करते
Yeah.
product जो भी उनको चाहिए, you will do the delivery to them. Or else yours is a college, okay,
Okay.
and you are providing uh, transportation facility also. So you are having college buses which
Yeah.
will go around within the range of 10 kilometers and drop the students or pick up the students. So these are the administration purposes.
Okay.
And building vagera, other things also administration purpose will be useful. Okay, some will be like licenses will be there. You
Yeah.
need, you require license and other things, franchisee rights, other things, those also comes under assets itself, trademarks, copyrights, all those. So these will useful for you to make whatever product you are making available to the customers in proper way and to conduct the business. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
just now I said now, yours is a, suppose yours is a what, college, you require some furniture for conducting the classes. We required board and furniture for
Yeah.
the students to sit, and those furniture whatever is there that will be useful for more than one accounting period,
Yeah. Yeah.
like that. So these are the things which will useful for making your product or service available to the customers in convenient manner.
Okay.
Okay,
Understood.
so for example, in fixed assets we are having two things. One is tangible, another one is intangible.
Hmm.
Cannot be seen or touched or intangible nature. Goodwill, market reputation of the company is known as goodwill. By the name itself people will recognize and buy. Suppose if your father is there uh, coming with you to purchase the some goods,
Okay.
so what he will select, he will go for bata. If he is going for a purchase of shoe or slippers or footwear, what he will go for bata or paragon, right? You will go for puma,
Yeah.
new brand which you know,
Yeah.
right? They know bata, they know paragon. Okay, so
Yeah.
you do know, but you prefer puma because trendy,
Hmm.
right? Like that. So goodwill are market reputation, trademarks, copyrights, okay, are patents, know-how, this know-how is for software companies. Then they create the new apps and what we call their products will be in the designing work will be there. Okay.
Yeah.
So websites create karte, yeah, whatever IT related in they are doing.
Yeah.
Those how to do a particular thing they are knowing with new technology. So that is why it is called know-how. These are intangible nature which you cannot see, but these are the things which attracts the people.
Yeah.
Which will create the customer to the business. So these are the things. And tangible assets, example, land, building, premises. Okay. Furniture, fixtures and fittings, plant, machinery, equipment. Okay, motors and vehicles. These comes under tangible fixed assets.
Understood. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Just no, yeah.
Yeah,
I got a call. I got a call. That is why.
Okay. Sorry.
Actually, whether tomorrow is a holiday or not, principal madam just called me and told tomorrow is a working day
Okay.
because syllabus is we need to complete in time.
Okay.
Management want classes to be conducted.
Okay.
So current assets, for current assets, these are the assets which change their character in one accounting period. In one accounting period, it will change its character.
Examples that you can give.
I'll tell. Suppose your stock is there. Stock means goods which you are selling. Okay. Suppose you sold whatever products you made, those will become your goods which you are selling. You are selling on credit basis. You sell to some X.
On credit
He
basis.
need to pay you on credit basis. You are selling. Some X is a person who is buys from you and pays within 3 months, 2 months like that. Okay. So within 3 months he will repay, right? First it was good, now it has become your debtor. It has become your debtor. Once if he gives you money, he may give you direct cash, then no problem within 3 months if he gives, or else sometimes he will give through check, bank payment karte hai, then also no problem. Okay, money is in the cash or bank, no problem for.
Yeah.
Sometimes what happens, it will be in the form of what we call as bills receivable.
Yeah.
Means he will make a bill receivable note writing that I'll pay you so and so amount within 2 months period. That
Yeah.
bill you can go to bank and you can convert into money.
Okay.
So it is changing its character and converting into cash within one accounting period. Those are called as current assets. Okay. So these may be examples of current assets. Current investments two types. One is non-current, which you held for investments purpose. You just invested to get return as interest or dividend. इसके ऊपर interest dividend आना है. మనకు dividend interest రావాలి అని చెప్పేసి ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసినాం లాంగర్ పీరియడ్ లా. లేదు షార్టర్ పీరియడ్ లో మనకు మనీ అవసరం ఉన్నప్పుడు అమ్మేసి ఈజీగా మనం మనీలోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి అనుకుంటే కరెంట్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్ లో ఓకే ట్రేడ్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ లో ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తాం. As soon as you will get higher price, you will sell it in the market and you will realize the money. Okay. And inventories are stock. Inventories are called as stock. It may be in raw material, it may be work in progress, means it is not in raw state or not finished good.
Yeah.
Okay, it is in process, that is called work in progress. And finished goods. Okay, generally I'll tell for this samosa.
Why?
Okay, or some parota, aloo parota, or samosa, because whatever raw atta is there,
Yeah.
that is your raw material, and raw aloo is there, that is your raw material, with which you will make either aloo parota or samosa, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is nothing but your finished goods which are readily available and can be sold in the market. Okay, suppose it is not yet completed, and it is well dwelled atta is there, and well cooked aloo is there with other ingredients, that is in not raw state, not in
Hello. 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 Hello.
మీరు కాల్ చేస్తున్న వ్యక్తి వేరే కాల్లో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. మీరు వేచి ఉండండి లేదా తరువాత మళ్ళీ కాల్ చేయండి. आपने जिस व्यक्ति को कॉल किया है वो
Hello.
మీరు కాల్ చేస్తున్న వ్యక్తి వేరే కాల్లో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు.
hello.
Tulsi Ram.
Hello.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Actually, principal madam is calling me, so I was.
No worries. No worries. Yeah, you were saying it.
So these are the things. These are the things we need to consider as what current assets. So hope you have understood. In inventories, three things are there.
Okay.
And sundry data are nothing but when you sell the goods on credit basis,
Yeah.
the person who is getting the benefit from us,
Yeah.
the person who is getting benefit from the business is known as debtor, and the person who is giving the benefit to the organization is known as creditor.
Yeah.
And bills receivable, just now I said, if
that
the
is
debtor
debtor payment.
he will pay later payment ke liye, he will make a instrument in writing. That instrument is known as bills receivable.
Understood.
Documentary proof. Prepaid expenses, which are prepaid, means this is not related to current period expenditure. In advance you have paid, so for current period it is an asset.
Yeah.
And short-term loans and advances given to the employees. Sometimes employees will take short-term loans from the organization. Okay, these are called as advances. Salary advance pe le lete, like that.
Yeah, I understand.
And bank balance, cash balance, these are the current assets. Hope till here there is no problem.
Yeah, I understand.
So these are the things relating to current assets.
Yeah.
Okay. And current liabilities, total assets part is over.
Yeah.
Let me explain few more things are there. Yesterday I sent you some expenditure, no?
Yeah, no, today, I think in morning you sent the notes.
No, yesterday itself I sent.
Yesterday you sent.
Can you send expenditure chart?
Expenditure, where is it? In WhatsApp, is it?
In WhatsApp it is. Because to me it is not showing in current files.
Yeah, you sent photos. Which one you're talking about? You said
Expenses.
expensive. Yeah, direct and indirect.
Right, that one.
Yes. So what about this actually? Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello, can you forward it to me?
Yeah, Tu's here. Yeah, I'll just forward it to you.
I'm not getting it.
I'm forwarding. Yeah, I forwarded it to you.
These are the basic things you need to understand. Otherwise, you can't understand the remaining things.
Exactly.
That is why I'm telling you to. If you don't understand the terms itself, it will become a big issue.
Yeah.
Oh, where it is gone here? Have you sent to me?
Yeah, I forwarded to you.
It is not showing. Photos gallery.
I've sent it to you actually.
Yeah, you sent it to you,
Yeah, it
but
does.
it's not showing me in my gallery.
You have to save it, I guess. You have to save it.
Yeah. Okay. See, there will be cost and income.
Okay.
Okay. Revenue also we will call.
Okay.
So whatever income which is generated from the business by selling the goods or services, the main business activity is known as direct income.
Direct.
Suppose as I said, you are having a bakery business. Whatever products you are selling, that will be your sales and that will be your direct income.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And besides that, besides your shop,
Yeah.
there is some place over there.
Yeah.
Yours is a bakery business. One of your friends want to use that for juice center.
Okay.
Okay. So you said, okay, Baba, no problem. You take this place and you can have your juice point over here. You can put your juice center here.
Okay.
And what he is doing, he is selling from there. Whoever comes to your bakery, they will have the some things with you, and if they want juice or other things, they will go to him.
Okay.
And whatever place, that premises is yours now.
Yeah.
but you gave it to your friend,
Yeah.
but not at free of cost. You are charging some rent to him.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever rent received by you is indirect income. What
Okay.
income?
Indirect.
Because the main business activity of you is to run your bakery business, not
Yeah.
to give the space over to other person and
Exactly.
get some rent.
Yeah.
Right. Not only that, on the wall beside your whatever business area is there,
Yeah.
or on the top, some hoardings will be kept by the some people
Yeah.
for advertisement purpose. You
Yeah.
are charging some rent from them.
Yeah.
That also comes over here.
Okay.
So, and whatever amount you have invested in the shares or debentures of the other company, interest whatever you are receiving, that is indirect, which is not from your core business area, is indirect.
Okay.
What is your main business activity? From that, if you are receiving, that is your what?
Direct.
Direct income. Suppose you are having a business,
Yeah.
okay, of hotel. What it is? Hotel business. Okay. So you are the you are having hotel and you are giving the accommodation in hotel rooms. Okay. So whoever stays in the room, they will pay you rent, na?
Yeah, of course.
Whatever rent you are receiving, that will become your direct income.
Okay.
Here rent will become direct income, not indirect.
Oh, okay.
In other example, rent has become indirect because
Okay.
your main business activity was to run the bakery,
Yeah.
not giving it to some of your friend and get some rent or commission like that.
Yeah.
Got the point?
So basically now what is the benefit?
It depends upon the nature of the business.
Okay. So hotel business
direct
is
this
considered
rent is main activity, na?
yeah.
Why is running the hotel? To give the
Rents.
rooms on rent and receive income,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, the main business activity is that only.
Yeah.
So main business activity income will become direct, and ancillarily if we get any other thing, that will be indirect. Okay, got? Next, sometimes interest is also on investments. If you are receiving interest, that will become your indirect income. Suppose your main business activity is finance. What it is? Finance. So you give loans to others, lend money to others, and you will charge interest.
Okay.
In such case, interest will become direct income.
Okay.
That is the service you have given to them, money you have lent to them for the charging what? Interest.
Okay.
So depending upon the nature of the business, these things will differ. So in general, discount received, interest received, commission received, rent received, dividend received, these will come under indirect nature.
Okay.
For trading businesses who are in trading, means their main activity is to sell some goods and earn money.
Yeah.
Okay, so for that purpose they need to spend some cost also. They need to spend some amount spent, okay, for making the product and selling it or making it available to the customer. From procurement of raw material to make the product available to customers.
Okay.
Whatever amount you will spend, that will become your expenditure. What it will become? Expenditure. Expenditure can be of two types. One is direct, another one is indirect.
Okay.
One is direct, another one is indirect. Expenses which are directly related with the production of a product or provision of a service, those comes under direct, and which are not directly related with the production activity of the product will come under indirect.
Yeah.
Here some examples are there, you can understand with them. These are the direct expenses. Okay,
Okay.
your purchases, okay, and purchase related expenses.
Okay.
Carriage, cartage means directly goods will not come to your place now.
Yeah.
You need to
Transport
do
logistics.
transportation, freight charges. Suppose you are importing the goods,
Yeah.
customs duty, import duties will be levied. Those things also comes under direct expenditure. Okay. Initially, previously, octroi was there before GST, which is a tax which is collected by the local bodies. Okay, in the name of octroi. Excise duty, previously it was there, now it is not there. It is there now on the pan masala products,
Excise duty.
but not now there is no excise duty. Okay, now it is only on alcoholic liquor for human consumption.
Okay.
Okay, only on liquor it is there, and it is levied by state government. Just for knowledge sake I am telling. Previously, if you manufacture anything in India, central government used to collect excise duty. Now it is included, excise duty. Now it is included in the GST.
Okay.
So there is no excise duty at present.
Okay.
Okay. But if it is for alcoholic liquor for human consumption, then excise duty is there. That excise duty is levied by state government.
State government.
And all other direct expenses which are to make the raw material into finished goods. Raw material को finished good में convert करने के लिए ఏదైతే raw material ఉందో దీన్ని finished good కి convert చేయాలంటే అయ్యే expenditure. Suppose labor is there who is making the product. Okay. Suppose you are having a factory, biscuit factory. Whatever atta and other things are there, those people will be there. They will make the machines run and make the product. So factory rent, coal, gas, water, which are used to make the product. Okay, they need to burn the things. Okay. बिस्किट कुकीज बनना बोले तो उसको क्या करना पड़ता, बेक, you will bake. Nowadays electricity power consumption is there. In olden days coal and gas were used to do. So in questions they will give gas and coal. At present that is not nowadays electricity power and fuel is there. Okay. And factory manager salary, all factory whatever expenditure incurred for making the product, those expenses comes under direct. Oil, fuel, okay, manufacturing expenses, trading, lighting, heating, all those things comes under direct. And other than this, product बन गया है factory में है, but from factory directly customers will not buy. Right?
It needs to be distributed.
You need to put some outlets,
Yes.
showrooms, right? So your product will send to those places. If you are manufacturer, then no problem, you will directly distribute. Whatever distribution charges are there, transportation and other things, those comes under indirect.
Okay.
Suppose you yourself is putting a outlet and selling them, then whatever salaries, administration employees will be there, manager and other person. And for the outlet in the other states or in the same state at other place which is not your own premise, you will pay the rent. Rates and taxes, municipal taxes and other things will be there. Insurance, printing, stationery, audit fees. Okay, legal fee, legal expenses,
Yeah.
repairs. You
Hmm.
need to some you need to spend some expenses for legal formalities also while
Yeah.
entering into agreements with the customers and as well as suppliers. So
Yeah.
those things.
Yeah.
And selling expenses, distribution expenses to make the product available to your customer. Nowadays, people are sending the goods at your doorstep, right? So after sale, okay,
Hmm.
after product is being manufactured, it is being provided to the doorstep of the customers. So whatever transportation charges are there, delivery charges, distribution charges,
Yeah.
carriage outward, bank charges, commission, bad debts.
Yeah.
If you some of them, if don't pay the amount, it will come consider as bad debt.
Bad debt.
And traveling expenses, sometimes to make your product become marketable in the
Hmm.
market, what you will do, you will put some employees who will travel at various places and advertise the product about it. So traveling
Yeah.
expenditure
Hmm.
and packing,
Hmm.
product को pack करना पड़ता अच्छा, and any discount you are allowing that.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
And interest on loans,
Hmm.
losses on sale of जो भी old assets है उनको sale करती है,
Hmm.
those. And depreciation on the asset.
Hmm.
These are the things comes under indirect nature.
Okay.
Hope till here, no doubts at all.
No, it is pretty clear. Yes.
Okay. What we'll do? Can you stop the recording now?
Yeah.
Because